All right, June 8th, 8:45 in the morning. Made some progress. The town hall has given me some positive information on the ability to build a home, which is always great. So I'm feeling a little bit better about that. The only question that's up in the air right now is the ability to put a basement. Obviously, value-wise, it's important to have a basement, at least a 6-foot crawl basement, crawl space basement, in order to keep good value on the property. Obviously, 8-foot basement is better. That way you have a full basement, you can convert, you can do whatever you want. But as of right now, the site plan shows a slab on grade. Is it the end of the world? To be completely honest, I'm not sure. My wife and I really need to put our heads together and figure out if that's a deal breaker. Is it a deal breaker for me? Yeah, the jury's still out. I don't have a major issue with it. Obviously, I like a basement because right now, my existing home, above the garage, I have a huge space that I can store plenty of stuff. It's so tempting to make my usual sarcastic jokes. The only problem with it is that I don't know who's going to see this video, and I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea that I'm some kind of psychopath, which I probably am to an extent, but whatever. So anyway, sorry, back on track. So what we're doing today is we hired an engineer, Mr. Thomas Hardman. Very nice guy, very easy to work with. I have no problems talking to the guy. I feel bad because I feel like I'm bugging him, but he's very understanding. Actually works for the town of Dartmouth. Very accommodating. Very happy with him. So he's going to come down. We're going to do a subsurface soil analysis. So we're going to dig a test pit, and we're going to go down to the point where he finds. Oh, great! I went down a dead end, or did I? Huh? Oh no. Okay, good. Where he's going to see underground moisture based on soil discoloration or based on other aspects like that. So that's what we're going to do today. And hopefully we'll get some video and take a look. Was there some kind of a clay down there, or?
It's glacial till.
Okay.
It's till.
Okay.
And until you get a large, you get a little of everything.
Okay.
Sand, silts, clays.
Okay.
And they tend to be compacted.
Okay. I know the machine was struggling a little bit to get through it. That's for sure.
It was. Yeah. No, I'm sure it was. Here you are, 6 feet.
as he hits me with it.
That machine pretty damn well. Starting to get damp now.
Is it? Okay, good. We're almost there.
Chinese people better watch out.
Why?
We're almost there.
I know.
So what's coming out of the bottom, Dion? That's wet. So it's leaking out of here. See it? Right where we got. Right
Oh
where
yeah,
we-
yeah. Oh
So-
yeah, right up here.
So it's not going to be really pouring in,
Okay.
but you're going to have seepage.
Okay.
And if you leave this bottom open like this,
You'll get. I can see water coming in on this side
you're
too.
going to see it start coming in.
Yeah, I can see it coming down right on this side.
It's going to move very slowly through this material.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you dig a foundation in here, now the water's got a place to go.
Okay. Gotcha.
So you can probably do a full foundation here.
Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
You know, coming in down the bottom.
Yep. Yeah, I can see it come through. Yep.
So it's slow. It's not
starting
going to
to
come
drip in,
pouring in.
So you can tie a French drain right into the sewage system?
No.
Into the
separate,
drain
separate
system.
drain system.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because as long
That's
as
what
there's
I figured.
drainage out there, they should let you tie it in.
Okay. Okay. That'd be the way to go.
We got seepage at about that same elevation.
All right, so we finished the test. We located the area right near where the home's going to be. We got as close as we could to the house. The ground where we trenched isn't in the actual footprint of the home, but it's close enough where everything's in the same elevation, so the results should be very, very similar, if not exactly the same. So we went out and we started digging the test pit, and as you saw in the video, as you dug down, you could see some rust-colored staining on the actual soil, and that rust-colored staining is just that. It's water, moisture level, water level, that at some point reached that level. So that's down about 3.5, almost 4 feet. The good thing about that is it's 3.5, almost 4 feet, and it's not 18 inches or 2 feet down. The ground is not saturated. As you also saw in the video, the ground is below a certain depth is very solid, so it's going to be great foundation for the footings and the foundations that come afterwards. So there's going to be great support there, and the water level's down far enough where it's not going to be an issue. So I'm going to have to show you, maybe in the next video, I'll show you a rough view of the house, what it's going to look like, and get everybody up to speed on what's going on, so they can see exactly what the layout is and how everything's going to work. So we'll dig down about 4 feet, put our footings in. We'll come up 3 feet, maybe 4 feet of foundation, but we still got to fill in 2 feet of that anyway with new soil. But the good thing is it's not 5 feet of soil or 6 feet of soil, because fill is fill, and it can get really expensive to fill in that much material. But the good thing is we don't have to do that, so that's great. So yeah, I'm happy. We could do a full basement. That's one of the concerns that my wife had. And that's it for this video. We'll have more coming up soon. Thanks for watching.